Hello, I'm Steve with the Watchdog Superstore. Today we are going to program and install a basic wireless system. In front of me I have the Ademco Lynx REN control panel and a few devices. There's a 5890 Pi motion detector, a 5816 door window contact, and a 5804 4-button remote key fob. The first step in the process of installing our wireless system is to wire up the control panel. Everything is self-contained inside the control panel. It's very easy to pop this thing open by inserting a screwdriver in the top tabs, and the face will fold straight down. Inside here we have a control board. The wire hookups are on the last two terminals. Now it doesn't matter which color combination you use because this is AC power. If you require a phone connection for communication, you'll find your phone connections in the first four terminals. In this instance, we don't need a phone connection. Remember to also hook up your battery to the slot down below. Once you have your wiring hooked up, go ahead and close the panel. Now that we have our system wired up and ready to go, the next step is to prep all of your devices you're going to be putting up. Today we're doing the motion detector, the door contact, and the key fob. Once you receive your motion detector, open it up by inserting a screwdriver in the bottom, popping the cover open, and inside you'll see where your battery placement is. On the right side you will notice a small jumper. This jumper has to be removed and placed back on over the two slots on the right. You'll notice the LED comes on. This is now in test mode, and this is required to learn the system in later on. Go ahead and securely put the cover back on. To prep the 5816, insert a screwdriver in the slot on the bottom and remove the cover. Be sure to insert your battery in the slot provided. You'll notice right by the battery there is a reed switch. On the outside of the housing, you will find two raised lines by the reed switch. This is to indicate where the magnet goes. Once the magnet is lined up with this, it will activate the reed switch, setting off the alarm. Once you have your battery inserted, be sure to put the cover on tightly, because if the cover is not on tightly, the tamper switch will activate instead of the actual reed switch. Now that we've prepped our devices for installation, we can go ahead and program it. Now you can either keep your devices on a table like you see here, or you can mount them in the locations where they go. Remember, if you do them on an open table, be sure to label them for the proper locations where they're going to go later. Our first step is to enter the voice prompt programming by pressing in 4112888.
Programming. Use arrows to scroll choices. Press select to accept. Press escape to quit.
The system is asking us to scroll choices by using the arrow keys. The arrows are located on number 3 and number 6.
Add sensors.
Once we find add sensors, we're going to press select, which you'll notice is right underneath a UX button.
Select sensor type. Use arrows to scroll choices. Press select to accept. Press escape to quit.
So since the first type we're going to install is going to be a door, we're going to select a door type.
Delay door.
We're going to hit select.
Select delay door. Location. Use arrows to scroll choices. Press select to accept. Press escape to quit.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to select the front door in this application.
Front.
So then we're going to hit select.
Add front. Delay door. Activate transmitter twice. To enroll, press escape to quit.
Now it's asking us to enroll the device. You do this by tripping the device twice. If you have the device on a door, you can simply open and close the door twice. Since we have it open here, I'm just going to move the magnet away. You'll hear the keypad beep.
Front, delay door, zone 2. Press add to accept. Press escape to quit.
So we're going to hit add to accept.
Front, delay Delay door. Zone 2. Enrolled. Programming. Use arrows to scroll choices. Press select to accept. Press escape to quit.
Now that we've successfully put on our door contact, we're going to program our 5890 Pi motion detector.
Delete sensors. Add sensors.
We want to add sensors. I'm going to hit select.
Select sensor type. Use arrows to scroll choices. Press select. Delay door. Window. Motion detector.
We want motion detector. I'm going to hit select.
Select location. 4. Motion detector. Use arrows to scroll choices. Press select to accept. Press escape to quit. Select location. 4. Motion detector.
We'll make this
Use arrows
the dining
to scroll
room.
choices. Press living room. Dining room. Add dining room. Motion detector. Activate transmitter twice to enroll. Or press select to add modifier. Press escape to quit.
Now we're going to simply wave our hand in front to activate it twice.
Dining room. Motion detector. Zone 3. Press add to accept. Press escape to quit.
Now that we've enrolled it, we're going to go ahead and press add to accept it in the system.
Dining room. Motion detector. Zone 3. Enrolled. Programming. Use arrows to scroll choices. Press select to accept. Press escape to quit. Select sensor type. Delay door. Window. Motion detector. Fire detection. Emergency. Keys.
I'm going to select keys.
Add key 1. Activate transmitter twice with 5-second pause. To enroll, press escape to quit.
Okay, the last device we're going to install is the 5804 4-button remote. All we have to do is select a remote from the menu and then activate it twice.
Add sensors. Delete. Add sensors. Select sensor type. Use arrows to scroll choices. Delay door. Window. Motion detector. Fire detection. Emergency. Keys.
We want to select keys.
Add key 1. Activate transmitter twice with 5-second pause. Press escape to quit.
Okay, now all we have to do is press the button once, wait 5 seconds, and press the button again. It's pretty easy.
Key 1. Press add to accept. Press escape to quit.
Now we're simply going to press add to accept it into the system.
Key 1. Enrolled. Programming. Use arrows to scroll choices. Press select to accept. Press escape to quit.
Now, if you're using a monitored service and you need to enroll a phone number, all you have to do is hit the arrow keys to enter a phone number.
Add sensors. Delete sensors. First, central station phone number.
So we're going to hit select to enter in the first central station phone number.
Enter first central station phone number. Press add to accept. Press escape to quit. 1 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8.
I'm going to press add.
Enter first central station account number. Press add to accept. Press escape to quit.
When it asks for the account number, it's asking for a 4-digit number provided by your monitoring company. We're going to use 1234 as an example.
1 2 3 4. Programming. Use arrows to scroll choices. Press select to accept. Press escape to quit.
The last step in the installation process is to program your user code. This can be simply achieved by pressing in 4112 802 and then the 4-digit code of your choice. Location 02 is set up for the master code. Only the master code can add and delete users. So if you wanted to add a user, we're going to use a master code of 1234. You would type in 1234 803 and then a 4-digit code for a user. You can use slots 03, 04, 05 as alternates. Now that we're all done with our programming, we're going to press escape.